So the common problems of the oral cavity. Why we should know the common problems of oral cavity? Because in the cosmetic science, we are preparing the various kind of preparations which are we are using for the teeth purpose like teeth powder, toothpaste, then mouthwash, gargles are there. So, so prior to manufacturing, we should aware about the common problems of the oral cavity. So this is very general topic. So bleeding gums. So this is the very common problem. Generally, because of the deficiency of vitamin C, it is arising. So there is the bleeding is occur, and because of that, bad odor will be possible. Then it may cause because of the improper brushing. So because of that, microbial growth may takes place, and it may cause the such kind of bleeding. Then bleeding gums are there, gum infections are also there. So these are also we can say common problem. Accumulation of the plaque can cause the such kind of infections and decoloration of the hair. Then bleeding of the gum is also possible. Then malnutrition is the one we can say basic reason, that is vitamin C suppose is not supplied, then bleeding of the gums will takes place. If you are maintaining the proper nutrients for the body, then the gums health will be maintained. Then there is the bad breath. Common problem is there that when anyone is sneezing or coughing nearby you, then bad odor will come out. So it is due to the this previous problem that because of the bleeding, may bad odor takes place, as well as the accumulation of the plaque may cause the microbial growth and may also develop the bad odor. Then onions is there containing the alcohol, tobacco preparation is there, then garlic is there. So this kind of uh, your routine atoms are there, they may also cause the bad odor, or they may give the they may develop the oral cavity problems. See, this is another one type of uh, dangerous problem, that is the impaction of the your food. Generally, food is remain inside the cap or the cavity of the teeth. So they are called as the we can say there is development of the infections, and because of that, some teeth may fall down or discoloration of the teeth may possible. Then this is the discoloration of the teeth because of the deficiency of various vitamins, or improper we are not cleaning properly, brushing is not properly. Then this is the caries discoloration problem is there. Then some teeth may become black because of the deficiency of the required nutrients and the deficiency of iron. So this causes the bad looking of your teeth. Then some different types of habits are there like cigarette smoking, then pipes are there, it is the part of smoking. Then chewing of the tobacco or the chewing of the gutkhas. So there are so many habits are there which can cause the uh, uh, discoloration of the your teeth, or there is the development of the cancer of the teeth, or you are not maintaining the proper hygiene of your teeth, then also it is maybe possible. Then some medicines are there, they may affect on the health of your teeth, that is the tetracycline. Generally it is known that when during the pregnancy state or after the second trimester, suppose the mother is receiving the tetracycline injections for the any other infection purpose, then the child which is going to take the birth, it may have the such kind of uh, black teeth. So it is the impact or the side effect of the tetracycline antibiotic. So some teeth are having the genetic type of problems which are coming from their parents. Then some teeth are having the aging problem, that is because of the we can say uh, malnutrition problem. Teeth are not having the proper growth. Then sensitivity problem is there nowadays. Many people are having the sensitive problem. They cannot take the cold things or hot things, so they are getting the sensations or the pains into the teeth. Then some people are brushing, but some people are having the improper brushing, like forcefully they will brush. If you are giving the too much force while brushing, then it may cause the erosion of the teeth. From the bottom, your teeth may get cut, and after some period, it may get breakdown. So we have to brush very properly without any large pressure. Then suppose some people are having a habit to eat the acidic foods like lemons or citric foods containing the extra acid. So this may also cause the erosion of the teeth. Then some people are having the habit to chew the hard things like you can say nuts. So they may cause the erosion of the your teeth. That is also we can say that things may grind your teeth. It means ultimately your teeth will get breakdown. See here I have shown here that is the level of the teeth is we can say decreased. The some teeth are getting breakdown, and the some teeth are we can say get eroded because of the friction with the hard things. Then for the proper maintenance of your teeth, if you are having the already problems, then you have to choose the your required or the suitable type of toothpaste or the tooth powder to maintain the good health of your teeth. Some people are having the excessive plaque in their teeth. Then some people may develop the gum diseases. Because of that gum diseases, every time there is the microbial growth, toothache is there, and after some particular period, the teeth may get breakdown. Some people are having the cracked teeth because of the improper maintenance of the teeth, and decay is the common problem because of the almost you are taking the sweet material, so that are developing the microbes and they may cause the decay of your teeth. Then toothache is the common problem for the childs because they are taking most of chocolates or the sweet material they are taking, and it is the good or the nutrient source for the microorganism. So after the taking the such kind of sweet materials, we should clean your teeth properly, or before sleeping also you have to uh, clean the teeth properly. Some teeth are having the fractures or the breaking into the hair. Some teeth are having the infections. Some tooth are having the caries or the a little bit decay at the particular site. Then tobacco use and its consequences. Already I have told you that this cigar, cigarette, as well as the tobacco, then pan masala or related materials, they are always affect on your health of your teeth. See, this is the leukoplakia, that is the cancer of the teeth, which is causing the dangerous effect on the health of the people. It may cause the tongue cancer. So these are related to the oral cancers. So it is due to your routine habits. Then nicotine platinums or the stomatitis is there. That is the inflammation of your gums. Then this is the leukodemia. So these are the various kind of problems of your teeth which are causing the, we can say, various kind of life-threatening diseases. So it is in your hand that how to maintain the proper health of your teeth. So it is included in your syllabus that you have to learn about the problems of this teeth, and then we can go for the preparation of such kind of medicated toothpaste or the tooth powder for maintaining the your routine health of your teeth. So this was about your uh, today's lecture.